Alright, I had this thing soaking overnight. Doesn't look like it did much. But yeah, it'll be coming out soon. So let me go on to the next step. So from here, I don't know, I'm just going along with the flow. I don't do this every day. But I'm just going to spray some lubricant on here. And then just let it sit right over here until I figure out my next process. Basically, I'm thinking I'm just going to scrape.
Like a kind of scraper?
No scraper, but this will do. Basically, I'm gonna do this. Alright, the next step I'm thinking I'm going to be doing the wire brush on the drill. Got it all set up, ready to rock and roll. Not gonna go. It's not gonna go. Let's try something else. Try not to ruin this. There we go. That's tight. Let's see if it'll go now. Hell no. I just gotta keep doing that. It was working. Feels like it's a spring in there. Oh shit. I gotta be careful. Let me go cool this off. I was right, there was a spring there. Try not to hit it too hard. See if it's coming out. Yep, there it is. It's coming out now. Alright. There it is. Look at that. We'll take these out and drop them into the vinegar. Okay, I found the perfect piece to get this out with. Is it working? I want to say yes, but be careful. I want to break it. Yep, it's going. There we go. Awesome. Brush one more time, and then I'll go on to my next stage. Eventually I'm gonna have to straighten her out. She's pretty crooked as well. So let's begin. Alright, let's go over here, take a look at this. Get a rag. That's looking pretty good, I'd say. I just gotta get in here, straighten her out. Let's walk over here. Barrel's in my way. I got these parts in here in vinegar, the bolt with a spring and the other side to it, and then the handle. And I gotta get the rust in there, but the handle's looking pretty good. I have an idea for the handles, the scales I'm gonna put on there. Just gotta get that going. I'm gonna put this, leave this overnight. That's it for me today on this project. I have that working on and that one to do. Thanks for coming in, checking out this. See you soon. Peace.